What is up, guys? Beast here, and today we will be reviewing the MX Master 3S mouse. So let's unbox it first, which is pretty straightforward. It goes up like that. Then you have your box. You open it, and then here's your mouse, which we'll talk about that later. The one other thing it has is a dongle, which we won't need because this mouse is Bluetooth. So I'll put that aside and put the box aside. Alright, so now that we got the mouse out of the way, we can now see that the mouse has really nice soft rubber grip, and it feels really nice compared to other mice I have used, especially what most buyers will use, the Apple mouse, the Magic Mouse, that pain that causes creases and like everything. The main features of this mouse is really nice. You have your button here, which you can switch through different computers. So if you have multiple computers, or you work in a place, or use a place that like up to 3 different people have 3 different computers, you can just switch between them. One thing also is this has a really good sensor that can sense basically on anything. Like, I'm not using a mouse pad here. Like, usually I would be using a mouse pad, but a mouse pad works. It senses pretty well. Without a mouse pad, on felt, it works. Under the felt, it works. On my skin, it works. Literally on the box, literally anything you can think of, it works. Even on the screen you're using, like, yes, the literal screen, you can see it works right there. I shouldn't have done that to the screen. I think I'm stupid. A bunch of buttons. So one here, which I have set on the Logitech Options Plus app to change your desktop by holding and swiping or just clicking it to see your apps. This button, these 2 buttons are back in, going back and going forward on your page in Safari for me. Your side scroll wheel, your scroll wheel, which I'll talk more about that soon, and your mouse click buttons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons, and they're all programmable. Like, you can literally turn your right click into left click and so on, which is really cool. The ergonomics, which I have maybe talked about, are also really good. And back to the scroll wheel. So here you can see that it's a really cool scroll wheel, which the guys at Logitech call mag speed scroll wheel. So what it is it's basically, without doing all that corporate PR stuff they're writing, it's just a scroll wheel that has magnets inside. So if you want to get down to a page, you just scroll like that, and if you see, it keeps spinning, and like you can let go of your mouse. This button also makes it go from like smooth scrolling, which also has the magnet, to normal, like it has bumps. And it also has a mag speed scrolling. Yeah, that's a bad name. Logitech. Mag speed scrolling. It just should be called infinite scroll. But other than that, you have your dongle, which this mouse has probably 2.4 gigahertz light speed dongle. And it also has Bluetooth, which is really solid. Other than that, I actually would recommend this mouse, and right now I'm just going to start showing you the software. Alright guys, so now we are in Logitech Options Plus, which is pretty nicely designed. You can see that it works for your mice and keyboards. So let me just go in the mice here, and you can basically see how good it is. You can see, like, you can control, like, literally everything in the app, which is really cool. Another thing of mine is that I like is in different applications like Premiere Pro, you can basically change everything. So like maybe in Roblox you want the horizontal scroll. Instead of that, you want to do zoom in or out. And in Premiere Pro, you want actually for it to be horizontal scroll, and like the buttons are like more into it. Like you can start, stop, mute, unmute, mic. It's really cool. Then there are also stuff like the scroll speed and the DPI, which gets absurd. Like 8,000 DPI is basically impossible to use, all the way to 200 DPI, which takes you like a year to move to move the mouse all the way across. Then there are a lot of stuff. You can also see your easy switch, which is okay. I need to blur all of that. Like where you can switch between, so like I can change whatever it is. And they also have Logiflow, which is really cool. So if you have two different computers, what Flow is you have to install Logitech Options Plus. You have to pair a mouse with the button underneath it on a different channel, and you're on the same Wi-Fi. And basically, what you can do is just drag an application to another computer, and it will technically, literally work. And then your settings, which is I think a bunch of stuff like that, and it also shows you like your battery level, and so at the end of the day, it has like an AI prompt builder, which why did they add an AI prompt builder literally inside a mouse app? Like, bro, these guys, like, you can literally do it. I mean, yeah, it's random. You can add devices. Your settings, your account, everything is in here. Light mode, dark mode, and yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. And yeah, so at the end of the day, I really do recommend this mouse for you, especially at its price range. Okay, maybe not at its price range, but if you're like a Mac user, you 100% can afford this, unless you have like some refurbished Mac. But this is a really good mouse, very ergonomic. It basically feels like you're not using it. The app is decent. There are some bugs, like you can't make your scrolling zooming in and out. So like if you're playing Roblox and you zoom out, it'll just pan your camera up and down, which is a issue with Logitech mice that has a scroll wheel. Other than that, it's a really good app, and I would recommend it. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe down below, and comment which mice do you have.